Few days ago, they did a peaceful protest in Abuja about INEC. Yes, this coming 2027 election. You know that they wanted to make our voting to be online, but they still have not agreed. And the way INEC is doing it, I don't even understand how to explain it. That our ID card, some some confusion in the ID card. So some people came outside to do protest. Some people actually joined the youth. Even Peter Obi joined them. Yes, these are some of the clips of the protest at Abuja. So let's watch it. And I pray that this protest is being held because Nigeria, no matter what the youth do, they come outside to fight for their rights. Nigeria's leaders will just do as if they did not see them. Let's just watch it and see.
The indisputable, indomitable national chairman of ADC, Senator Gree. We have here on ground the former governor of Osun State, the former since I look the chance in one match, let me go scatter. I will done grace once and for all. Our vote must count. Your vote must count. Every vote must count. My vote must count. Your vote must count. Our vote must count. If you are not here, you are wrong. This is Operation Self-Democracy. How can you get 30 governors? The entire National Assembly. Now you they control INEC. Now you they control police. Now you they control DSS. Now you they control bandits. Yet you are afraid of free and fair elections. What are you afraid of? Why you dey fear free and fair elections? ADC must shine. Opposition must shine. Save your life. Your life will never count until your vote begin to count. There is no country in the world where votes of people count, where they will kill how many persons in play two. The president will go there and will end in the airport. And do you know that the president is supposed to be the head of City Boys movement? Imagine City Boy, rich city, if you have to enter city, stay for airport. As how? The excuse is said there is no light. You fail to give the people light, you cannot go and condone with them. They rather bring the victims to come and meet you at the airport. What a tragedy of leadership. What a shame and a horrible display of leadership. 2027, this affliction called APC must end. I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the opposition leaders are here. So start coming out. Opposition leaders are here. They are here now. Start coming out. Start coming out. Opposition leaders are here now. Peter Obi are here. Ataku is here. Mamboso is here. Everybody is here. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Atiku Abubakar is here. All the opposition leaders are here. So let us. They are here. So if you're not here, you are not out. All the opposition leaders are here. Get in there.